Yes, let's not use, that's what I'm trying to say. Good boy, aren't you? Yeah, he's good. His feet are twice the size of your hands.
It's been at Crufts this year.
Have a look in the museum. Upstairs, do you? There's a museum and art gallery. Do you want to go on? Come on.
There's nothing downstairs. They're just meeting. Two heads meeting. Looks like binoculars, doesn't it?
Yeah. I don't know if I've got my hat on the right way or the wrong way.
Come on.
Which way is it? Nice outfit.
Where's your medals? Whoa.
Shall we change? Quick change?
And then to put my collar on, but however way.
Oh, now I am the mayor. I've got the jewels and everything.
There's you.
I'm the proper mayor. Oh,
Yeah, but where you're the mayor? But the mayor
the
from
mayor of
where?
where? Yeah.
Again.
These are children's things.
Whoa.
They're all little. That's what they all wore in Georgian times. Well, that won't fit on my head, will it?
Whoa.
Wesley.
Yes. I'll buy you one.
No, thank you. Oh dear. Lee, how about this one?
Beautiful.
I feel like nonsense.
That's what they look like, nonsense. There you go.
Wow.
This beautiful room. There's your ballroom.
Oh, like that's here.
Look at this. How beautiful is that? And you walk round outside and you just don't know what's in here, do you?
I've been to a few weddings.
Oh, we're getting a special tour today, aren't we? Show the mayor. All the mayors.
No, I haven't either.
Oh, it's this thing.
That was not from there. That was from the town.
Don't be careful with that, please. No, it is. Yeah, get it.
This one, silver and silver gilt.
Yeah.
The oldest piece is the mayor's staff here. And the mayor's hat. There's a
My saviour.
Come on. you go.
And then change it to it. Pushy scones in it.
Yeah.
And then see that goes up, oh, stays down.
Oh, okay.
So then,
Bend.
3,
3, 2, 1.
1.
Go. Mine went as well.
Oh,
I just
sorry.
moved it up.
I've got one for each. There's half a cream egg in there. Wow. Fingers. Put it up with the knife. Yeah. Cherry apricot.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. So it's all right.
I didn't know after that. Yeah. Ready to go.
Strong now.
Easy. Teamwork.
No. No.
We all live in a yellow submarine. A yellow submarine. In a yellow submarine. A yellow submarine. A yellow submarine. £30 balls for £3.50. Yeah? Okay.
Whoa, that's good.
More onions.
It's alright, it'll be part cooked in there. That looks good in my toasters.
スーパーでもいいんですけど、タニアとリーンに思い知らす作戦の購入してるところ
はいはい。
を取っていこ
あ、ぜひ。
うと。これやったら思い知らせるかなっていうのを先に取っといて、
ぜひ
それを食べてるとこでつなげちゃおうかな。
見たいです。
まだ何みたいですか。ボケとするから。
それ早急にそしたら取ったら乗せてもらって。
何がいいかな。
This smells like it's gonna have vinegar in. I know that sounds crazy. Not that I can't even open that one. That's a stronger smell.
Every single thing that you've tried, I do not like.
Cut it in half. I'll have a piece.
Well, that's your bit. No, get that down, mate, can't I?
You try.
You look like you're doing a bush tucker trial, don't you? I'm a celebrity.
Blowing it like it's
What are you
hot.
blowing it
Why
for?
you-
It's not even hot. Get it in your mouth. Get
Why
out of the
you-
way, faffing about. Have I got to slice it like that?
Yeah, of course you have. You have to
Why?
do what you have to do.
Ooh, wrong one.
Oh.
Why is it that way? Why can't you turn it that way? It's easier to cut it.
It's like a gherkin. It's like a
Oh.
gherkin.
I can't cut. Can you slice me a piece? I can't cut with my thumb. I'm rubbish with that. I'm really bad with it at the minute. That's why no, a normal one, like you had. What if I don't like it? But I can eat it. Well, I had to. That's all right.
Yes. Good. That's yours. Try. Umiboshi. Umiboshi. Try to smell. Oh, sweet. Yeah. Yeah, sweet.
Very sweet.
You can smell it on my hands. Imagine the soap's the same smell. What is it?
You did just it's
What?
it's worms and dried up meatballs. It says plum.
Oh, okay.
Pickled plum.
Stone inside.
No, stop. Yeah, where is this together? No, why don't we do
I nearly ate it then.
Small.
Very yum.
Hold on.
Oh, get out!
Very yum. Yes. Why? Why? Very yum. Honestly.
Why is it sweet inside? Because it's the plum.
And it's
Ah,
Who said it was nice? Oh,
I know, right? I
that's
agree.
all right.
It's
That's
horrid.
really.
Lee, I'm on your side. It's absolutely horrible.
No, it's not horrid.
Absolutely disgusting.
that's horrid.
Don't you like it?
No, they're yours. And then worms.
I
Oh,
don't find that
Disgusting.
bad, but it's very strange to have something so. It tastes like it should be savoury all the way
Can you
through.
let them maybe have it? Okay. Probably just want some water.
I'm a bit full up to be eating. So. Is it upside down?
Yeah, he's Wally, isn't he? Wally.
Yeah. Slow cooked.
Whatever that is.
Like,
Soup.
Mushrooms.
Magic.
Magic what?
Magic
Magic
mushrooms. Go.
No magic mushroom.
Magic.
Magic
No, what are these?
mushrooms.
Oh, this smells good.
Yeah.
Smells better. Oh, God. Slimy.
Ah, not for me. Soy sauce.
Ah.
Oh,
I forgot. Oh.
here we go.
Enjoy.
that
Go on, big one, big one. Lay.
Nice. Yes.
That was right.
Yeah.
Oh, he liked one.
Yeah, of course. More.
No. That one's alright, yeah.
Yes.
Right. Next.
Can I have the lid?
Lee.
Here you go.
Thank you. No.
Lee. Do you like them?
Cigarettes.
I don't mind it.
Lee. Do you like them?
No,
It's not the
dis-
worst thing I've
disgusting. Absolutely disgusting.
Same for me.
Oishii.
Pushing that.
No, it's not bad.
What have we got in this? Let's have a look.
Umeboshi.
Do we know if this is gluten free?
It's gluten free.
Homework? What's homework? I don't want to do that. Search with your camera. Yeah, that's what I want to do. I don't think I'm doing homework.
Is this one block or is it in strips?
What is it by
Strips.
doing it?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Ugh. There's one there. It's alive, it's flapping. Is this seaweed?
Like, kind of.
I don't like it.
You like?
Oh, it stinks.
you
Oh
like-
my
No.
God.
No sting than your
Lee.
feet.
Oh, it absolutely stinks.
No, very nice. Good
I don't
for
believe
you.
you.
Good for your body.
I don't believe you.
It doesn't
Good
taste.
for your
It
body.
tastes
This
like.
is like a bush tucker trial.
It tastes like.
Oh, it stinks.
It tastes like. It tastes like seaweedy salt. Just try it.
Mouldy chewing gum. That doesn't give me any way I want to try that.
Yes,
See?
I think you like it.
No. No. No.
We use that at work.
It tastes better than it smells.
Oh.
You'll not get out through.
Really?
Little step.